Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Now I am going to discuss May 3rd, 2020 current affairs. Here is the first question. The terracotta work of Gorakhpur and Kovilpatti Kadalai Mithai has got GI tag recently along with Chako, the black rice of which Indian state? That is Manipur. Chako, the black rice of Manipur, the terracotta work of Gorakhpur which belongs to UP and Kovilpatti, Tamil Nadu has been granted the Geographical Indication GI tag. Next question. The Ministry of Coal has launched the Project Monitoring Unit PMU to facilitate early operationalization of coal mines. Who is present Minister for Coal? He is Prahalad Joshi. If you talk about coal, I already told that Union Minister is Prahalad Joshi. He belongs to Dharwad of North Karnataka. Secretary is Anil Kumar Jain. Ministry of Coal launched a project monitoring unit to facilitate early operationalization of coal mines allocated by the government in order to ramp up local coal production in the country. Okay, next one. Name the organization under Department of Science and Technology that has initiated program on health and risk communication focusing on COVID-19 titled Year of Awareness on Science and Health, that is ASH. Organization is National Council for Science and Technology Communication. National Council for Science and Technology Communication Department of Science and Technology DST has initialized a program on health and risk communication focusing on COVID-19 titled Year of Awareness on Science and Health, that is ASH. Its main aim is to convey authentic best practices to the general public and also to minimize the risk of transmission of the virus at all levels in the absence of vaccines and cure for COVID-19. Next one, which Indian Navaratna enterprise under Coal Ministry has started the production of coal for the first time? That is Neyveli Lignite Corporation. Neyveli Lignite Corporation NLC India Private Limited, Navaratna, a Government of India enterprise under the Ministry of Coal, started the production of coal for the first time. The coal allocated to the Neyveli Lignite Corporation India Limited in 2016 with a capacity of 20 million ton per annum from the Talabira 2 and 3 mines of Odisha. If you talk about this Neyveli Lignite Corporation, Chairman and Managing Director is Rakesh Kumar and Directors are Vinod Kumar Tiwari and A. Karthik, formed on 1956. Present mining capacity is 30.6 metric ton per annum. Headquarters is Chennai and Tamil. Next question. National Board for Wildlife has allowed to use a part of the Dihing Patkai Elephant Reserve for coal mining recently. The Elephant Reserve is located in which state? That is Assam. This National Board for Wildlife, this is an apex body to review all wildlife related matters and also permitted the use of 98.59 hectares of land at Salki, a part of Dihing Patkai Elephant Reserve in Assam, for open cast and coal mining project done by North Eastern Coalfield. If you talk about Assam, capital is Dispur, Chief Minister is Sarbananda Sonowal and Governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Next one, Ayush Entrepreneurship Developed Program is the joint initiative of Ayush Ministry along with which another ministry, that is Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Its headquarters located in Delhi and present Ministry of State is Pratap Chandra Sarangi. Nitin Gadkari launched Ayush Entrepreneurship Development Program jointly organized by the Ministry of Ayush and the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises for promoting the Ayush, that is Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy sector in India. Next one, which Indian state or union territory police has, along with all India Institute of Ayurveda, that is AIIA, has jointly run the program called Ayuraksha, that is Delhi state. Okay, if you talk about All India Institute of Ayurveda, AIIA, located in New Delhi, Minister of State, that is Independent Charge, Shripad Naik. The Delhi Police, in association with All India Institute of Ayurveda, a public Ayurveda medicine and research institution, has jointly run the program called Ayuraksha Corona Se Jang Delhi Police Ke Sang, with the aim of providing all possible health related help to all those Delhi policemen working in the front line to fight against this coronavirus COVID-19. Next one, which Indian state has launched an agro entrepreneur facilitation desk to help the entrepreneurs for the state to get the subsidies and incentives from the central government funding agencies, that is Tripura. Its capital is Agartala and governor is Ramesh Bias. The Tripura government launched an agro entrepreneur facilitation desk to help the entrepreneurs of the state to get the subsidies and incentives from the central government. The state cabinet has approved the setup of the desk, which will operate from the Directorate of Horticulture and Soil Conservation in the state capital, that is Agartala. Next one, the oil price of which country has recorded below $0 for the first time recently, that is United States. Next one, Reserve Bank of India RBI extended the regulatory benefits under the special liquidity facility for mutual funds for banks recently. Where is the headquarters of RBI located? It is located in Mumbai. RBI extended the regulatory benefits under the special liquidity facility for mutual funds to all the banks, irrespective of whether they will avail funding from the RBI or deploy their own reserves under this special liquidity facility for mutual fund scheme. This decision has been taken on the lines of requests made by the banks to RBI. It's formed in April 1st, 1935 and Governor of RBI Shakti Kanta Das. Next one, name the first Indian tennis player who has been nominated for the Fed Cup Hot Award from the Asian zone. She is Sanio Mirza. If you talk about International Tennis Federation, President is David Hattati and CEO is Kelly Fairweather. Headquarters located in London and UK. Next one, the Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of 49% of Reliance BP Mobility Limited by BP Global Investments Limited, who is present CCI chairman. He is Ashok Kumar Gupta. Competition Commission of India, headquarters located in New Delhi and chairman is Ashok Gupta. Next one, the Competition Commission of India CCI approved acquisition of 100% shares and control of Tech Data Corporation by Tiger Medco LLC. Where is the headquarters of CCI located? It is located in New Delhi. As I already discussed in earlier question, its chairman is Ashok Gupta and the headquarters located in New Delhi. Next one. Name the microwave sterilizer which has developed by Pune-based Defense Institute of Advanced Technology (DIAT) to disintegrate coronavirus by heating. That is Atulya. The Defense Ministry announced that the Pune-based Defense Institute of Advanced Technology has developed the microwave sterilizer Atulya that can disintegrate the novel coronavirus within 30 seconds by differential heating in the range of 56 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius temperatures. Headquarters of DRDO located in New Delhi, and its motto is Strength's Origin is in Science. Ministry of Defense is Shri Rajnath Singh and Chairman is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Next one. Scientists from Vadia Institute of Himalayan Geology in the study published in the Global and Planetary Changes Journal revealed a 35,000 year history of river erosion in Ladakh Himalayas. Where is this Vadia Institute of Himalayan Geology located? This is located in Dehradun. Director is Kalachand Shain. Okay, next one. The CSIR Scientific Instruments Organization under CSIR has transferred the electrostatic disinfection technology for commercialization recently. Where is this CSIR CSIO located? It is located in Chandigarh. The CSIR CSIO Vice President is Dr. Harshvardhan and Director General is Dr. Shekhar and C. Monday. Location is Chandigarh. Median Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR and CSIR Scientific Instruments Organization CSIO transferred the electrostatic disinfection technology initiative and effective disinfection and sanitization technology developed to fight coronavirus pandemic to Wright Water Solution Private Limited for commercialization and large scale production. Next question. Name the person who has built, name the first helicopter to be built for Mars as Ingenuity by the NASA in the name of the rover competition. She is Vanija Rupani. If you talk about NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, headquarters located in Washington, D.C., U.S. Administrator is Jim Bridenstine. A 17-year-old Indian origin girl, Vanessa Rupani, has named the first helicopter to be built for Mars as Ingenuity after she submitted her essay in NASA's National Aeronautical and Space Administration named the rover competition. Next one. Which Indian state government hospital has deployed robot named Karmi Boot, which was developed by ASIMO Robotics? That is Kerala. In order to assist COVID-19 patients, the robot named Karmi Boot was deployed by Kerala government in all hospitals at medical colleges COVID-19 isolation wards, which was developed by SIMO Robotics under Maker Village of Kerala Startup Mission. Next one. Soyuz MS-15 has returned after the International Space Station 62nd expedition with 3 members recently. The Soyuz MS-15 is the spacecraft of which country? That is Russia. Next one. Name the cricket team which has got first place since 2016 by racing past India in recent Test men's team rankings released by ICC. That is Australia. First place occupied by Australia with 116 points in Test series and in ODI, that is England, and in T20 Again, it is Australia with 278 points. Again, in ranking wise, second rank occupies in Test series, that is New Zealand with 115 points, and in ODI, India occupies one second position with 119 points, and in T20 international, England occupies second position with 268 points. In Test series, India occupies third position with 114 points, and in ODI, New Zealand occupied third position with 116 points, and T20, India occupies a third position with 266 points. If we talk about ICC, headquarters located in Dubai, UAE, and CEO is Manoj Vahane, and chairman is Shashank Manohar. India has lost its top spot and has slipped to third position, that is 114th position for the first time since 2016 in the International Cricket Council Test rankings. Australia is in top position with 116 points, followed by New Zealand with 115 points. Next one, name the person who authored the book titled Shivaji in South Block, The Unwritten History of a Proud People. He is Girish Kuber. A new book named called Shivaji in South Block, The Unwritten History of a Proud People, written by journalist Girish Kuber, talks about the Maharashtra's evolution from the past to modern times and its contribution to the country's culture, politics, history, and society. It is printed by HarperCollins Publishers, is the second largest consumer book publisher in the world, operating in 17 countries. It is established in India in 1992, and CEO is Anant Padmanabhan. Headquarters located in Delhi. CFO is Amit Abrol. Next one, Sumbimal Chuni Goswami, who passed away recently, belongs to which sports? He belongs to cricket and also football. He is former Indian football captain Sumimal Goswami, commonly known with a nickname Chuni Goswami, passed away at the age of 82 in Kolkata, that is in West Bengal. West Bengal capital is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee. Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Next one, Ronald Vivan Smith, who died in April 2020. He is a writer. Eminent author and communist Ronald Vivan Smith passed away at the age of 81 in Delhi due to the age-related ailments. He was born in 1938 in Agra, that is UP. He is a former news editor for the Statesman and also worked with the Press Trust of India (PTI). Was best known for his writings in Delhi. If you talk about Delhi, Chief Minister is Arvind Kejriwal. Governor is Anil Baijal. Next one, anti-operate activist Denis Theodore Goldberg, who passed away recently, belongs to which country? He belongs to South Africa. If you talk about South Africa, capital is Pretoria, that is executive capital. South Africa has three capitals. Executive capital is Pretoria, and judicial capital is Bloemfontein, and legislative capital is Cape Town. President is Cyril Ramaphosa. Currency is South African rand. Next one, International Labour Day was celebrated annually on which date? That is celebrated annually on May 1st. May 1st of every year is acknowledged as International Labour's Day. It is an official public holiday in many countries all over the world as a tribute to workers across the globe. It is also known as Workers' Day or May Day. Mainly in India, it is called as a May Day. The origin of the May Day differs from country to country, but the common theme is the working class taking a stand against the exploitation enforced on them. Next one, name the union MSME minister who launched MSME Bank of Ideas Innovation and Research portal recently. He is Nitin Gadkari. This MSME means Micro Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises headquarters located in New Delhi. Independent charge, that is Ministry of State, is Pratap Chandra Sarangi. Next one, Ministry of Shipping has launched and reconstructed website shipmin.government.in based on open source technology and is deployed on the National Informatics Center cloud named, that is Meghraj. The Ministry of Shipping has launched its reconstructed website which is based on open source technology and deployed on the National Informatics Central Cloud, that is Meghraj. If you talk about Shipping Ministry, Minister of State is Mankush Madhavya. He is of independent charge. Union Minister is Ravi Shankar Prasad. He is from constituency Patna. And Ministry of State is Sanjay Dhautri. He is from constituency Akola. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to download the PDF, please go through the Telegram channel. Link was given below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.